Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. When a new medicine gets approved, everyone congratulates scientists and doctors who made that compound. But only very few speak about the people working behind the scenes to ensure that all the clinical trial phases that this medicine goes through runs smooth and collect error-free data for regulators to investigate upon. Today, we are going to discuss one of those critical roles that play a bigger role in getting every single medicine approved. And that role is of Clinical Research Associate or CRA. So if you're a life science student, you must watch this video because we do reveal what makes aspirants like you the best fit for Clinical Research Associate role. So let me walk you through what we will discuss in this video. I'll explain why the CRA role exists, what a CRA role actually does in simple terms, how it's different from CRC, and what kind of background is needed to enter this role. So let's start from the absolute basics. Okay, so let's discuss why CRA role exists in the first place. Let's say a medicine is rolled out to the market and it is undergoing a test. What you must know is that it is not just tested in one hospital. The same study plan may run in 10 different hospitals or even 50, and sometimes across different countries or even continents. In studies like this, each hospital or a clinical trial site has different doctors, different patients, and different staff. The rules of the study stay the same everywhere. Every patient must be treated the same way. Every test must be done on time. Every data must be precise. Now, think about this. If something goes wrong at one site, it can affect the entire study. So this system needs someone to check whether clinical trial sites are following the rules as per the protocol. This is why CRA role exists. So you might be wondering, who exactly is a clinical research associate and what they do? Let's break that down in this section. Very simply put, a CRA or a clinical research associate is a professional who checks whether clinical trials are being done correctly. That's it. Let's understand that with a simple scenario. When a patient visits a hospital for a clinical trial, he undergoes tests, he is given medicines, and all of that data is recorded. Later, the CRA checks each one of those data points from across different clinical sites and ensures that everything is being followed as per the protocol. One thing to note here is CRAs do not treat patients. They do not sit in one hospital or clinical trial permanently. Think of CRA as a quality checker for clinical trials. Their job is to make sure the trial data can be trusted. Why? Because if something is missing or wrong, CRA does not ignore it and should not. They will point it out, ask the site to correct it, and document everything. Now, this is super important because regulators will review this data and companies will use this data for approval. Okay, so when we speak to life sciences students, we often come across one thing. They always seem to confuse CRC and CRA. They assume it's something similar. Well, no, they are not. So let me clarify that. So a CRC or clinical research coordinator works inside one hospital or clinical trial site. They run the trials at the site, ground level. Meanwhile, CRA is above CRC. They ensure that whatever happens at multiple sites for the same trial is followed as per the protocol. All data generated is ensured that it's error-free. Both roles, CRC as well as CRA, is important. They just have different responsibilities. If you want to know more about CRC role, then we have made a separate video on it, so you can watch that too. The link's in the description. Life science students often worry, is this role too complex for me? The answer is absolutely no, but if you're trained properly. See, this role is a perfect fit for life science students. Let me understand why. Because life science students already understand human biology, diseases, and how medicines work. This foundation helps CRAs understand lab reports, clinical terms and patient conditions. You don't need to be a doctor, but you do need to understand what the data means. That's where life science students have an advantage. That's why this role is perfect fit for students like you. Let's be honest. College teaches life science, but clinical research is much more than that. It's about rules, documentation, and responsibility. See, most college students are not taught about how to read a clinical trial protocol, how to follow GCP guidelines, how to document issues professionally. That's why whenever we speak to students and their parents, we stress on this point that apart from college curriculum, there needs to be an additional clinical research training, which is important to fix the gap that is created between the college curriculum and what the industry follows. Trainings like these, it teaches you how trial works in real hospitals, how monitoring is actually done, and most important, what today's employers expect from professionals like you. Clinical research training turns a graduate into a job-ready candidate. Let's wrap up the video. Clinical research associates play a quiet but powerful role. They don't treat patients, they protect the integrity of the trial. If you're someone who likes structured work, accuracy, responsibility, this role is worth exploring for you. And if you feel you're not ready for this role or need more guidance from people who are more experienced than you, then please reach out to our course counselors who are here to help you with map your current knowledge with the right career path. Or you could join our Life Sciences Career Masterclass that is absolutely for free, where you can interact with industry experts and get your doubts cleared on the spot. So CRA is just one of the many roles that are available in this huge clinical research domain. So if you want to know more, please check out our another video we have made on CRA career paths. Please do check that out. If you like this video, drop us a thumbs up. If you would like us to keep making more videos like this on everything that a life science student must know, then please hit that subscribe button. And one last thing, don't forget to share this video with your friends or peers. Always remember, clarity is the first step. Everything else comes later. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.
Visit us today, www.CliniLaunchResearch.in.